I have a challenge for you. Can you find the square of 73 in just 5 seconds? Most people can't do it that quickly, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to square almost any two-digit number mentally. Let's begin with an easy example. Find the square of 31. First, split your workspace into 3 sections. Now, square the first digit. 3 squared is 9. Write it in the first section. Next, square the last digit. 1 squared is 1. Write it in the third section. Now, for the middle section, multiply the 2 digits together. 3 times 1 is 3. Double it. That gives us 6. Write 6 in the middle section. Our answer is 961. That took just a few seconds. Let's make it slightly harder. Find the square of 24. First, split your workspace into 3 sections. Now square the first digit. 2 squared is 4. Write it in the first section. Next, square the last digit. 4 squared is 16. Write only the 6 in the last section and keep the 1 ready as a carry. Now, for the middle section, multiply the 2 digits together. 2 times 4 is 8. Double it. That gives us 16. Add the carried 1 to get 17. Write the 7 and carry the 1. Finally, add the carry to the first section. 4 becomes 5. Our answer is 576. That took just a few seconds. Let's try another one. Find the square of 76. 7 squared is 49. 6 squared is 36. Write the 6 and carry the 3. Now multiply 7 by 6. That's 42. Double it. 84. Add the carried 3. That becomes 87. Write the 7 and carry the 8. Finally, add the 8 to 49. That becomes 57. So the answer is 5,776. Pretty satisfying, right? Now let's solve the challenge from the beginning. Find the square of 73. 7 squared is 49. 3 squared is 9. Write 9. Now multiply 7 by 3. That's 21. Double it. 42. Write the 2 and carry the 4. Finally, add the carry to the first section. 49 becomes 53. The answer is 5,329. And that's the square of 73. Now it's your turn. Can you find the square of 68 in under 5 seconds? Pause the video and comment your answer before checking with a calculator. If you enjoyed this trick, subscribe, because next, I'll show you an even crazier method to square 3-digit numbers much faster than most calculators.